Got a pretty nice Monday afternoon weather-wise around the coastal empire and low country. Just some thin clouds filtering out the sunshine just a bit. But even with that, temperatures have been able to warm into the middle and upper 70s for many locations. 72 degrees right now for Savannah. Some of our coastal communities are a few degrees cooler in the mid and upper 60s. That's the case for Darien and for Hilton Head. But west of 95, temperatures have been a bit warmer, starting to cool off now, where we were in the upper 70s for a few locations. Still in the upper 70s, but starting to see those temperatures begin to cool as the sun is starting to get a little bit lower on the horizon. For this evening, we'll have a mainly clear sky early on, partly cloudy. Then as we head into the later evening, a little bit of patchy fog is possible going into the overnight hours. Definitely watch out for that first thing Tuesday morning. We're going to be dealing with widespread dense fog, but we could run into some patches of that denser fog at times, especially for areas along the west of 95. Another very warm day is on the way for Tuesday and for Wednesday, ahead of a cold front that is forecast to move through the region, which will bring us a few showers and a few thunderstorms on Wednesday, but then much cooler air will filter in for Thanksgiving Day and for Black Friday. High temperatures will just make it into the mid 50s for us here in Savannah. Strong breeze will make it feel a little bit chillier at times. The morning temperatures will be pretty cold, and that'll be the case going into the first half of the weekend, but gradually warming up again as we get into early next week ahead of the next system, which will bring us another opportunity for a few showers. High pressure right now keeping us dry. We do have an onshore component to the wind right now because of that high, but for tomorrow it will be warmer as a warm front lifts northward, allowing some more humid and warmer Gulf air to make its way into the southeast ahead of the system that we are watching that will be moving through on Wednesday. It will bring the potential for strong and severe storms across Mississippi, Alabama, and western Georgia for Tuesday, but as that system gets a lot closer to us, it will be weaker. So just a few showers and maybe a few isolated storms are possible for Wednesday. Now for our Tuesday, we will start the day with some cloud cover around. Temperatures quickly climbing into the upper 70s to lower 80s just past lunchtime, with those highs in the lower 80s for many locations. Staying mainly dry throughout the day, even though those clouds will be fairly thick. And then on Wednesday, during the morning hours, it's possible that we do have a few stray showers developing, but those chances will increase just a little bit as that frontal boundary makes its way into the region by lunchtime, clearing off the coast by 5 and 6 o'clock. With the sky clearing out, colder air will begin to filter in for Wednesday night and into early Thanksgiving morning, where many of us will start the day with temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. For tonight, partly cloudy with some inland fog developing. Temperatures will be down into the 50s for just about all of us. Maybe the immediate coasting a few degrees milder. 60 is your forecast low temperature for Hilton Head. And then for tomorrow, mix of clouds and sunshine with a few stray showers. Not out of the question, but it is going to be a warm day. Highs making it into the 80s for many locations. The forecast high for Savannah is 79 degrees. For the boaters, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right around 2 to 3 feet. So not a bad day on the waterways. That water temperature is somewhat chilly. Those showers and storms, they will be with us for Wednesday, but then drying out and cooling off quite a bit for Thanksgiving and for Black Friday. Lots of sunshine in the forecast for Saturday. Maybe a great day to do some decorating outside with temperatures in the lower 60s.
One more time on the roller coaster.
On the roller coaster. It's getting that time of the year, getting to that time of the year.
Right. Thanks, Scott.